Hello, I'm Kashmi. This is my video. Stay with me. Jupiter, the king of our solar system. A gas giant with a mysterious and turbulent atmosphere. We've watched its storms rage for centuries. But what lies deep beneath its swirling clouds? Join us as we uncover the latest discoveries of what might be hiding under the surface of this mighty planet. Jupiter's atmosphere is a massive, swirling storm of clouds made primarily of hydrogen and helium. But what lies beyond those cloud tops? We know that its outer clouds stretch far into space, but the deeper we go, the more mysterious it becomes. NASA's Juno spacecraft, which has been orbiting Jupiter since 2016, is providing us with unprecedented insights into the planet's interior. With its advanced instruments, Juno is peering beneath the clouds to reveal Jupiter's secrets. One of the most exciting discoveries is the planet's deep atmospheric structure. By measuring Jupiter's gravitational and magnetic fields, scientists are learning that the planet's inner atmosphere is not uniform. Instead, it's full of mysterious and complex layers. Beneath Jupiter's clouds, there may be regions of hotter, denser gas. These layers seem to transition from the familiar cloud patterns we see on the surface into an entirely new environment, one that is hard to fully comprehend. And then there's the Great Red Spot, Jupiter's massive storm bigger than Earth itself. For over 350 years, it's been raging at the planet's southern hemisphere. But what drives this storm? Does it extend deep into Jupiter's atmosphere, or is it just a surface-level phenomenon? Scientists are working hard to figure that out. But the biggest mystery lies even deeper: Jupiter's core. While scientists know that Jupiter is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, there are questions about its core. Is it a dense, solid rock, or is it a fluid-like mix of metallic hydrogen and gas? Scientists believe that deeper inside Jupiter, under immense pressure, hydrogen turns into a strange metallic state, an extraordinary form of matter that behaves like a metal, conducting electricity. This metallic hydrogen could play a role in generating Jupiter's strong magnetic field, one of the strongest in the solar system. Some theories also suggest that Jupiter may have a hidden ocean of liquid hydrogen beneath its atmosphere, an ocean so vast that it could cover the entire planet. This could dramatically change our understanding of how gas giants form and how life could potentially exist in environments very different from Earth. Jupiter's moons, especially volcanic Io, also add to the intrigue. Could the planet's deep atmosphere and core provide clues to similar processes occurring on its moons? Or might there be some kind of interaction between Jupiter's extreme conditions and its satellites that we haven't yet understood? Every new discovery about Jupiter's atmosphere and core helps us refine our understanding of gas giants and their role in the universe. And as Juno continues its mission, we are certain that there are even more astonishing revelations to come. So, what lies deep beneath the clouds of Jupiter? We don't know everything yet, but with missions like Juno, we're getting closer to unlocking the mysteries of this giant planet. Jupiter's secrets may still be hiding, but we're on the brink of a new era in space exploration. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of Jupiter, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible space discoveries.